We have the trailer ready because we found a used rain tank on Craigslist. So we're driving 2 hours to get it. Bye. We'll see, long as the wind doesn't blow us off the road. Almost home. Slowly making our way up our driveway. Our driveway's a mile long. We just pulled up to the house. We made it. Well, folks, I'm headed into the belly of the whale. I'm gonna go in this hole. And because this is a used rain tank, so there's silt and like sand in it, so we have to clean it out.
I'll hand you the shovel. And careful where you step, because you don't want to... I'm guessing you... Do you want a broom? We'll just vacuum the rest.
This is the inside of a rain tank. A used rain tank, a dirty one. It's big. I always say you can live in here. Just wanted to show you where I am. Now, a power wash.
Here, use it outside first to get used to it. Is it burning red or is it not working well? It's like a weapon. I mean, yeah.
So this blue tank is leaving. It's going to go to our new RV campsite area, as well as this green one on the left. This black one in the middle is going to move to that spot, and we're going to put the new black tank there. So that would be nice. Also, right now, we're running a hose from this blue tank to this black tank because our new tank, that's over there, is eventually going to go here. So anyways, we have to move some water around so that we don't waste it. And yeah, we have this pump that we can pump it out with. We raised this up so that we can get the last of the water out. And it's created this really pretty little creek. It's not a whole lot that we're losing right now, so. We're collecting this mulch to put under the spot where the tanks are going to go.
too.
You need a shorter board, eh?
Oh, okay. Working so far.
This pipe will be attached. It's going to be attached on this side of the pole. Okay, move the pole. All right, Mark, give me that
saw?
the saw.
I can move that anywhere you need to, you James. You
Sounds
feel
good.
tight.
Sounds good. No. Mark. Catch. And this.
You want to hook it?
He's laying down and digging.
What she thinks she's gonna get?
They just like to stick their hands in holes. We're still just trying to get all the piping finished here. Now we're pulling from this tank again to our new tank. This tank is ready to be moved.
right.
We got this blue tank drained, so now we're taking apart the new pipes we actually just put on recently, but we'll find a use for them somewhere else. So we're taking them apart so we can get this tank out of here. Getting ready to push this tank into its final home. We're getting set up to clean out the final tank. I'm not filming it because I'm kind of just in my underwear, whatever. But the blue one is loaded up, ready to be taken to the campsite. We'll get this one cleaned out, we can take it to the campsite. And these are our new tanks for our house. So exciting. We had this that blue tank was here. It was such an eyesore. I'm so glad it's gone. Now we have Papa Tank and Baby Tank. So here's where the blue tank went. We're at the, ow, ran into a thorny bush. We're at our RV spot now. So that's where the blue one went, and then here's where the green one went. We've got all the piping from the roofs, overflow pipe. So we wanted to talk a little bit about all the pipes that you see going to the rain tanks. And this one here, this long skinny one, is for the first wash. So before rain comes, there's like stuff on the roof, pollen and
you know, just debris from the trees. And so after it rains, the water comes in here first. And so all of the gunky, dirty water fills this pipe up, and then the nice clean water continues to go and fill the tank up. And this opens up, and then we can drain that water out and empty it before the next rain. So this pipe is an overflow pipe. So if this tank gets too full, then the overflow water runs through here and out there, and then into that black tank. And then if the black tank gets full, it runs through this little pipe and just out onto the ground.
Into the orchard.
Yeah, into our fruit orchard over there. So yeah, these are our new rain tanks. I need to paint these green, as I always say, and we're good to go.